Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a new product that was sent out to me to review. This is the RW403B. This is a thermal Bluetooth printer. Now, of course, the box is really nice, but of course, most of you guys are here just to see what's in the box. It does come with a variety of accessories. So let's first go through the accessories that come with this printer, and then we'll take a look at the actual printer itself. All right, so in our little accessory box, as you guys can see here, we're going to get quite a few different cables. We get the power supply. This is going to be your standard 2-prong plug that you'll be able to plug in to power this guy. You also receive a USB-C to USB-C cable. That's going to be for connecting it to your computer. And we get the standard power brick. So this guy here is just going to plug right into the printer with the little barrel plug. And let's go ahead and connect this cable up just to get that out of the way. So we'll be ready to rock and roll when we get ready to plug in our printer, but that's pretty much what that's going to look like. All right, so let's get right to it, guys. Let's take a look at the printer and let me walk you around that and show you exactly what comes with it. All right, guys, so here's the printer. As you guys can see, it does have a print button here on top. It has a little LED light here that illuminates when it's printing. On this side, you have your tray button, and you would press this button in. That's going to allow you to raise this section up, and then you'll be able to adjust, once it's inside here, the size of paper that you're going to be working with. You guys see that, how we can slide that back and forth. Now, there's a few different style papers that you can use. You're going to find some round stickers. You're going to find some rectangular stickers. And then, of course, you will find these standard square stick, more like what you would normally find on a package if you receive something in the mail. So like I said, you got a variety of different stickers here. Here are some of the round ones. Here's our standard little label styles here. Now, I'm just going to show you guys really simply how to set this up, how to connect it. You will need your smartphone app in order to run this efficiently. You can run this 100% right off of your laptop, your tablet, or whatever device you want to be able to connect it to. So let's get right to it. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to set everything up. So one of the things that you're definitely going to need, you're going to need the smartphone app if you're not going to be running this off of your computer or other devices. You can install this app for iOS or for Android. Once you have that set up, you're just going to click on open. And then from here, you're going to look for the specific printer that you have. In our case, we know which unit we have. So we're just going to click right here on the RW403B and then OK. And then it kind of just walks you through all of the rest of the things that you're going to need to do. But before we get to that, let me show you guys, before we go any further with the app, how to install the labels. So it comes with a starter pack of these labels, as you guys can see here. And the easiest way to put these in, you might want something for these to set on if you're going to be using a lot of them. But you can pretty much just run them through like this and close the lid, and then it'll be able to pull from those labels that you have in once you have everything connected. Okay, so we're going to go back to our app. We're going to choose new label. Now from here, you can always go in and add text. You can add illustrations. You can add borders, graphics, images, barcodes, QR codes, all of that kind of cool jazz you can do from right here. Okay, so we're just going to go with text for now. And we're just going to put something in here. Let's just type in Rome Knows Tech, and that's good enough. And we can position that pretty much where we want on our printer. And then from here, you would just have to hit print. It's going to scan for there's a little switch on the back of the printer, and you're just going to flip that little switch. All right, so our printer is ready. Let's go ahead and let it search again. There's our printer. As you see, it's connected now. Now, again, you can go into the settings. You can take a look at, the serial number, all of those things right here. But for now, all we want to do is run our first print. So we're going to just go ahead and print Rome Knows Tech. It's going to transfer it over to the printer. And just that quick, guys. Did you see how fast that was to print this with this little thermal printer? Now I'm gonna go ahead and waste one more sheet here just so you guys can get an idea. So I'm gonna see if I can find a graphic. Now, of course, this is gonna be thermal, so it's gonna be black and white. So, you know, you're not gonna get quality photo, but let me find some type of graphic that we can print just so I can show you guys that. All right, guys, so here is our graphic that we're gonna use. You're weird, I'll keep you. I'm gonna go done, and then we can kind of, yeah, that's pretty good for that size. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this first one. And these are already perforated. You can just go ahead and pull those off like so. So we're gonna go ahead and print this guy as well. That's what we're looking for. And then print. Let's give it a chance to go. All right, guys, I don't know if you are seeing how fast this just printed this label. That is amazing, the quality and the speed of this printer. So if you're looking for a printer, guys, if you're doing a lot of packaging or print or shipping or something like that, maybe just to label things around the house, this is going to be outstanding. So yeah, definitely give this guy a look. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Just want to do a quick video showing you the basic setups of this printer, the speed from what I've seen so far. I want to thank the brand for sending this printer out for me to test. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.